Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: controls mapped, target locked, and the only way stance active. Press the auto attack bind once to cue the basic attack loop. This primes your character to follow the auto behavior. Once done, gently reposition with small movement inputs to keep range. Make sure to avoid heavy ability casts that cancel the loop. You are initiating a persistent attack state. This step reduces input overhead and lets you focus on timing and situational commands. Now sustain the auto attack loop by managing resources and interruptions. You hold attention on stamina or energy so the auto sequence doesn't stop mid-rotation, and you delay interruptible skills until after a full auto swing. Once cued, avoid overlapping long animations. They break the auto rhythm. If a new target appears, use the quick retarget key to transfer aggression without breaking the loop. These adjustments maintain consistent DPS and prevent wasted frames from unnecessary inputs. To finish, clear the current target and immediately re-enable auto attack to pick up the next enemy. This keeps momentum in only way. If the attack halts unexpectedly, toggle the auto attack off and on. This resets the state without remapping keys. You should also check latency and eliminate input conflicts from macros or other binds, because network lag or overlapping commands often causes failure. Follow this sequence, and you minimize downtime while keeping the auto attack reliable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.